Okay guys, since a lot of people have been asking us what is this you know newsletter system. So as you can see, we can issue a local newsletter to local Japanese people, like local clients. When we enter a newsletter to local clients, it's a little bit different than overseas clients, because when we issue a newsletter to local clients, we call them with a like specific name. For example, let's suppose this one I wanna send to local newsletter. This is a wheel loader by Komatsu WA500-6. For example, if I wanna send it to local clients, I will click here and I will click send to local clients. But once I click here, I have some things which need to be improved. Number one, this picture should be a little bit bigger. This text remain as it is, okay? And this thing here, XGO price, it should say JPY, or it should show yen marks. Description is here. This logo needs to be improved, and here in bottom it should show our telephone and fax and email. This logo is very small, very blurry. Japanese people don't like such system. So since these clients in Japan, so we're gonna call them like something, we write company name first, then we write their name, for example this one, it would show something like this in the top, so they will never know that we sent them in a newsletter. It would show that we sent them in an email, because if the Japanese people, they know that we send them email in a newsletter, they don't respond. And then there is this, if you come right side, we can edit a machine from here. We can see private notes only for the admin from here. We can edit pictures from here. We can delete a machine from here, and we can mark it sold. Here we want to have one more option which says sold to Jamex client. And then when we click that, it should show us, ask us client information, like it was sold to which client, to which country, it went from which port to which port. For example, it went from Japan Yokohama port to India Mumbai port, and we will write company name. And so what I'm talking about is we wanna have a system where we can add customers data. For example, once we click the machine, this car is sold, then it should ask us that it was sold to which country, and then we will enter it was sold to, let's suppose, Pakistan. And then it should ask us, when did you bring into your yard, and how many days are over. Like if it is more than 30 days, it should show this number, and it should say lot number. It's a lot number, and it next to it should say auction name, or you bought it from where. And here is car photos. It shows like registration date, lot number, auction number, car name. So this comes as it is, okay? And here we have some documents, like we can select some documents. For example, for this car, let's suppose I wanna add some pictures. So I will go here, and this is a car number 423. So I will go here, I will go to my folder, and this is Jamex stock, and this is the chassis number 423. For example, I will add its export declaration. I will click here and I will upload, okay? And then it will show that it will ask me what is this, if it is invoice, if it is export certificate, Shakinsho LC, other, what is this, the name of this document, and I will send it, and it will be added to others, okay? And then it should ask me chassis number, which vessel we will use to send it, and ETD and ETA, like what is the estimate departure, estimate arrival of this vehicle, what is the port of loading and port of departure, okay? and it should show buyer name and yard name. That's it. And also it should show some shipping documents. When you click on shipping documents, it has this you see this reference like chassis number or reference number, car name, ETD, ETA, vessel name, port of loading, port of delivery, BL house, export declaration. So as you can see, there was this car. So against this car, we uploaded one document in others, so it should appear here. So this is how we wanna save pictures, documents, data from buying to selling, all the record in the backend for admin. So also now we issue invoice from here, but it is not a good system. Like we issue invoice like this, it's zigzag. First of all, it should not be zigzag. All the documents should be table format. Here should be the heading, and here we add the invoice. Okay, then here address, here everything, and then it should turn up in a proper invoice like this. For example, it should turn up into a proper invoice like this, you know. You can see any invoice, for example this one. We should be able to save this invoice in Excel. We should be able to save it in PDF. We should be able to send the invoice from website to client. Now you see this invoice has consignee name, address, email, and telephone. And sometimes it also has notify party, and notify party also has same information: company name, customer name, maybe address, telephone, fax. So sometimes you have to add here notify, and then we don't want to go zigzag. It should be like, you know, we enter here maker, invoice number, invoice date, maker, model, and then we write all the information here, and it should appear here. It should be simple, you know, from the website. And we have different invoice for machines and for cars. For car is little bit we have to write the year, but for machines only we have to write the description and model and serial. We don't have to write maker for machines. Anyway, we have invoice samples. We will send it to you. And also one of the most important feature we want to develop here is like this is our website Jamex, and this is auctions page. Okay, auctions page now look like this. We have charge table, we have Japan map, we have auctions calendar. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to add more pages here. Which pages we want to add? We want to add all the pages in this website. This is a one-man company in Japan. They have only one person handling this website from Japan, and they have about 50 guys outside Japan. So you have to make a website like this. All these pages you have to create. Maybe there are like you can say like maybe maybe there are about 50 pages. All the pages you have to create. Okay, this is explanation, countries. Okay, and anyway, this website has maybe so many. You can change photos, and anywhere it says AHJ or Auction House Japan, you can change it to Jamex and allow us to change some text if we want to. And also on the top page it should be something like this. If a customer asks about machinery, then on top and bottom only construction equipment should be visible. No cars should be visible, you know. So if a customer asks us cars, then only cars, truck and bus should appear. We don't want these on the top. Here there are like hundreds of different types of cars like sedan, SUV, and in bus we have bus, van, different categories, and even in trucks we have so many different categories. So I mean these categories should appear, you know. So also we have some categories missing. It should have one more category here saying in industrial equipment and also agriculture equipment. And agriculture equipment has options like tractor and other things, you know. And when we upload a car or machine from here, let's suppose we upload a car from here, it's a little bit strange. We upload a car from here, but we upload a machine from here. It should be only one button for uploading, and it should be simple and easygoing. This like images should be offered to upload in the last, and you see description comes first, then private notes. This is all admin use. Now this size is way too long. It should be the half in size in length, and in width it should be a little bit more bigger. In width it should show something like this, and also the size should be, this size should be according to the front page or front design, because in front page when we write description we don't have space like this. We have only this space to write description. So if we copy and paste so long page, so the size should be like this. So anyone who is adding description, he should know that I have to write description in this much size of page. Or maybe you can move the description here, okay. And also this is zigzag, like send inquiry. Is it about this machine? Nobody knows because this button is way too far. I guess this is about this machine, but this button is so far away, so it's very hard to understand. Nobody ever click this button and send inquiry. So move it little bit close to this button, maybe down here. Move this one down here, so that at least customer can move this one here. So at least customer can know that we gonna send inquiry about this machine. Then or maybe you can say send an email. And also if you read this Excel and this PowerPoint and you discuss everything to me, you're gonna know, because it's a simple explanation. If you don't know anything, you can ask me what I want to do or what I want to, you know. So this is pretty much it. You have to increase the design. If you see this PowerPoint and if you see the Excel, you will know. Okay, this one in backend we want Japanese and English. All these text should be in Japanese. If you read this, you will understand what I mean to say. Okay, and we want to sometimes hide the car number plate. If you have such system, please let us know. And this is how different categories should be on the top page. And this is machines. This is how cars has different categories. And yeah, it's some questions. We don't want this category saying this is tower crane. We don't want it. And we want to increase some categories saying agriculture machinery. And also uploading should be increased. And also we want one thing saying sell your machine. So when we say sell your machine, what you should do is you should go to our Japanese homepage, chukokenki.com. okay, and go to the top page, and just copy this information and put it there on the English page, because this is saying like if you want to sell something, write this maker model year and enter its photos, and then email will come to us. You can also write exactly the same there, we don't mind. And then if you see this, we have machine inquiry. So we want to send them, like here we can send newsletter from here or from here. For example, this one doesn't have any inquiry in past 5-6 years. So what we want to do is, this is a Kobelco and we know this is famous in Sri Lanka. So we want to send this Kobelco SK260D LC-8 to all the clients in Sri Lanka. So we will not gonna search this one, but we will search like how can we send this one as a newsletter to machine inquiry people, whoever inquired us a excavator by Kobelco in past. So as you can see, a lot of different countries have inquired. We have clients from Maldives, from Sri Lanka, from Bangladesh. This is famous in Maldives. So let's suppose we wanna send to all the clients in Maldives. So how can we send that particular Kobelco to all these 3 clients using this system? So you have to, maybe our stock, you have to move this system there so we can send a newsletter. Again, categories, if we showing machines, only construction machines should be appear. If we show cars, only cars categories, cars countries should appear. If we show agriculture machines should. If we show asphalt plant or press machine or industrial equipment, then industrial equipment should be visible. And also our page should have should have, what can I say, this our page should have good map and more advanced contact us page. Now we receive a lot of spam from contact us. So please sometime please try to stop it somehow. And then this one I advise you, if you read this, you're gonna know I already made the video for you. If you need this website, I will send you. We want this column in red circle. So this one is very tiny for cars. If you go to our website, these buttons very tiny, so you have to improve everything according to the machinery. Like we have these buttons for machinery, but cars we don't have it. And also this is invoice. You should give us table format like this, so we enter and the invoice should be issued like this. And also for same client we should have balance sheet also, and I will send you the balance sheet sample separately. And this is these are the countries where mostly our machinery is going. And we should have a country tag. For example, if we click on a specific country in BForward website, for example, if we go to BForward website and they upload cars for like, they upload thousands of cars for like Kenya. And for example, if you click Kenya, only 2014 cars will appear because Kenya only allow 2014 cars. So if we click here, you see all these cars, they are 2014. Like this one is 2014 Toyota Corolla Fielder 2014. Then this one is 2014. And website should be light so that even in Kenya or another country, if the connection is not so good, it should appear, you know. These are all types of the these are all types you should add, you know, for cars and for trucks. Okay, So this, if you possible, you should have a country. Then this is some explanation how uploading should be efficient and in one page, and why it's troublesome sometimes. Anyway, if you read it, you will know. And please make it better for uploading to save the time, because first he enters information here, then here, then here, then enter photos. Photos should be in the end, and it should give options like YouTube link is not working. It should give options like upload, edit, or preview, something like that, you know. This is very good design by a company. This is how we want it, because sometimes we copy paste information by email. And if you same website, if you click here, you're gonna see more information and contact us. It's a very good website, you should definitely see it. I think it is a GSAT site. Yeah, GSAT site. If you copy and go here, they have a very good design. Yeah, this is GSAT. You see, if you click here, very good design. It says we can also copy paste everything here. It shows their map, it shows features, it shows contact us, photos. You can print it, you can share it. So please show something like this, you know. This is stock ID, this is their heading, you know. It's very easy. So if possible, please show something like GSAT website. And also, yeah, you can, this is for Thozai. Thozai has a very good for machines. It should be a little bit simple. If you go to their website, you can learn something. They have all these categories, and the maps should be improved, and there should be button in the end, go back to the list, but we don't have that button. And here, if we showing cars, customer don't want to see machines. If we show cars in bottom, here should be all cars. Then here there is a lot of empty space and we don't understand, and front image is not showing. Then there is no download photos or share or contact us, or anyway, it's not a good. And sometimes currency US dollar is not working. All these things we want to have for cars too. And this is just use font better, or yeah, I think that's it. If you have any question, please don't forget to see the Excel also, because in Excel we are asking some questions. So this is it. I think we don't need meeting anymore. If you need any information, just let me know, just read it.